Kubor nagaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Yes, of course, we have seen some incidents that are taking place in different localities, but overall the law and order situation is in control, and of course at the same time we have been monitoring things in a very detailed manner, and we've been ensuring that the further situation should not escalate. The inquiry, as you're aware, that already is in place, and as far as my knowledge is that because obviously I'm not directly involved in that, but Chief Secretary has already had a meeting with had a conversation with the judge who is heading this particular judiciary inquiry, and the process has already started. So I think it's been just the past 3 days now. So beyond that, in the last 3 days after he took over and took charge of the inquiry, I have not specifically had a review meeting on that, but I think we need to give him some time to start the process, but the process has started. Sorry?
Going on leave or not going on leave? There is a lot of confusion.
Yeah, I think there is no confusion in this. The DGP has applied for leave. He had met me and he specifically told me that he's applied for leave. The entire application and the process, it takes, a system is followed in order to process it. So that process is going on, and as soon as the process is over, his leave as per his desire will be given to him. So as that happens, he'll be going, but we obviously had session also in between, so obviously those things also are there, but it is being processed and he will be granted his leave.
So but the timing of his request for leave is quite questionable. Everyone is questioning, the timing of his seeking a leave.
People can question in many ways, so I have nothing to say about the questioning. If an individual desires to go for a leave, it could be for health grounds, it could be for personal grounds, then as a government employee he is entitled to it, and as a government it's our job to give it to him if he is entitled to it, and that's the way we are seeing it. So therefore he applied for the leave, the processing is going on, and as soon as the process is done, he will be granted the leave.
It has nothing to do with the current situation.
Nothing to do with the current situation. As I said, it is a process that is going on, and he has applied for the leave at a personal level, and we have, as I said, we have agreed. I have agreed to it, and the process of granting that is on right now.
Well,
for how many days does he ask for leave?
I can't remember the number of days in that, but I remember that he had asked for the leave at a personal level.
what is
The demand of removal. We have maintained our stand that whatever action has to be taken has to be on the basis of a fair inquiry that should be there, and based on what we feel or we think, one cannot simply take action. So there has to be based on some kind of inquiry, some kind of a proof. So a lot of people have demanded that a judicial inquiry should be there so that the truth comes out. And that is the reason why we agreed to that, and the judicial inquiry is going on. Therefore, I have maintained that the government will take action as and when the judicial inquiry gives its report, because that's how it will be fair, and we can take a fair call on that.